What's the word, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today's video, we're doing another POV drive. The car's been running great so far. Car's been driving really good. This car's been driving really good lately. I think it's also just because the weather's getting back nice again. This car really does not like the winter time or the cold at all in general. So I'm glad I'm finally being able to open it up, because when it's wintertime, I kind of got to drive safer, especially because it's rear-wheel drive. And they usually don't do very good cleaning the roads here, so I always have to kind of like baby the car during the wintertime. But once the spring kind of hits, and once the weather warms up, I definitely can start like driving the car how it's supposed to be driven, if that makes sense. But yeah, I'm actually making a run here real quick because I need to get some gas. Unfortunately, this is the only gas station that's like near, is Phillips 66. I'm not a big fan of Phillips 66 at all. But I mean, I kind of got to work with what I got. So, bro, freaking premium is $4 and no way. Alright, 29, not bad. I thought it was gonna be a lot worse. It's actually not too bad. It's always so busy, bro, over in this area. So busy. This person don't want to scoot up. I need him to scoot up so that I can get out. right, y'all, gonna end the video off here. Appreciate y'all for watching. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you never miss an upload. Appreciate all the new subs, man. We're almost at 500 subs. I appreciate all of you guys. I can't wait to continue this journey with each and every one of you and all the new subs to come. Appreciate y'all so much for watching. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one.